Accidents can happen on even the most well-managed job sites. The course covers the essentials of accident investigation and reporting for USACE, NAVFAC, DOT, DOD, Virginia, and other government-funded state and county heavy construction projects. While not a substitute for hands-on experience, this course provides foundational knowledge for managing incidents, performing thorough investigations, and preventing future occurrences. Root cause investigation, techniques for identifying root causes of accidents, types of work and their impact, understanding how various types of work influence safety protocols. Accident investigation steps, mastering detailed steps for conducting comprehensive accident investigations. First aid and notification procedures, skills for providing first aid and ensuring proper accident notifications. Successful root cause analysis, performing effective root cause analysis to prevent future accidents. Examples and prevention. Real-world examples demonstrating the complexities of accident prevention. Expertise on site. Knowledge from experts on safety, quality control, and environmental standards for government construction projects. Instant certification. Immediate download of the official Titan University certificate after scoring 70% or higher. Flexible learning. Short quizzes between sections to reinforce key concepts and the ability to take breaks as needed. Verifiable certificates. Certificates that meet employer or government requirements, verifying expertise in accident investigation and reporting. Ideal for site safety and health officers, SSHOs, project managers, superintendents, and project workers on government construction sites. Enhances safety management skills and proficiency in accident investigation and reporting. Ready to elevate your safety expertise? Enroll today and gain your certification. Titan University, building safer job sites through expert training and education.